الله أكبر. سمع الله لمن حمده. الله أكبر.
Andrew Tate might be Muslim now. He's gone all Islamic on us. The top G has become a Muslim. Or has he? He's been shown praying or learning to pray in a masjid in Abu Dhabi. And he's always had quite a positive attitude towards Islam.
I knew Khabib was going to win. Khabib is a strict Muslim. I believe in the power of Allah. Train Allah, train Allah, train Allah. There's nothing else to his life.
And on other occasions, he's seemed to admire the Islamic faith.
All the problems we have here, right? They've got none of that. None of it. Because of Islam.
So I wonder, how will it change his life if he decides to become a Muslim? How will this change his attitude to life, his behavior? Would placing his head on the ground 5 times a day make him a little bit more modest? Would that bring you down to earth? What do you think? What do you think has attracted Top G to the world's fastest growing religion?
I believe in the power of Allah.
Even if he doesn't become Muslim, he clearly has some curiosity for it, some admiration there. What is it about that religion that attracts him? Let me know what you think. Has Andrew Tate really converted to Islam?
If you like our content, then please make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for latest updates. Thank you.